How to fix Instagram channel option not showing. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. First things first, you can go ahead and check if you are using a professional account or not. So launch the Instagram application on your device and make sure that you are signed in. Further, tap on the profile option at the bottom of your screen and then tap on the three lines on the top right of your screen. Here, tap on the account tools and controls option you see there, and further tap on the switch to professional mode option in order to switch to professional mode. Professional accounts get access to features for growth, monetization, insights, and tools that personal accounts do not. Once you've made sure that you are using a professional account but you're still facing the issue, then go ahead and open App Store or Play Store and search for Instagram and make sure the Instagram application is updated to its latest version, and if not, then update Instagram first. Further, you can check where the features should appear. So go ahead and open the Messages tab on your Instagram channels and then tap on the channels option if you see it on top. And if you are looking from the profile page or dashboard only, then you may miss it even when it is enabled. Next, go ahead and check your account status and monetization status. So tap on your profile option at the bottom right and then tap on the professional dashboard option you see there, and further tap on the settings option on the top right of your screen and then tap on the monetization status option to see whether your account has any feature limits. See if that helps, and if not, then go to your home screen and hold on the Instagram application and then go ahead and delete the Instagram application and then reinstall it again, as this will fix majority of minor glitches on your iPhone. And just in case if the issue is not fixed yet, then you can simply wait for the feature to roll out on your account or in your region, as sometimes the features are not available for your country or your account. So you can simply wait to get access of the feature. So these were a few fixes on how you can fix Instagram channel option not showing. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.